Welcome to Laugh and Learn. Here every laugh is a lesson. Today we learn about domestic animal names and sounds.
My name is Pig and I am sounding as.
My name is Duck and I am sounding as.
My name is Dog and I am sounding as.
My name is Chicken and I am sounding as.
My name is Horse and I am sounding as. My name is Sheep and I am sounding as.
Bah.
My name is Goat and I am sounding as. My name is Goat and I am sounding as.
My name is Cat and I am sounding as.
My name is Donkey and I am sounding as.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.